Fonterra collects milk from 5 farms on Matakana Island in the beautiful Bay of Plenty. Matakana Island is a long, thin stretch of land around 20 kilometres in length, made up by a combination of pine forests, orchards and farms. Every day of the season, a Fonterra tanker travels on the ferry service from Omokoroa to collect milk from Matakana Island. The ferry takes anywhere from 15 minutes to 45 minutes, depending on the tide, and it's an important link to the mainland for the local community.
And today we're on Matakana Island. Going to be picking up 3 sheds over here.
One of those sheds is Tirohonga Farms, where Mark Ngātai and his whānau have been supplying Fonterra from when the co-operative was formed almost 25 years ago. And he's got some great memories of how they got milk off the island before tankers started arriving on the ferry service.
We had 9 cream cans, so whether it was 2 o'clock in the morning or 9 o'clock at night, we'd take them over on the horse and cart to Matahui Road. And then we were the last supplier, as I said, for whole milk. So they had a little space in behind the tanker for us, and we'd put the 9 cream cans on there. And yes, I was milking, and yes, I was around, and I'm not that old.
These days the milk collections are more streamlined and the information is more reliable for the local farmers.
I mean, like it's been good lately where you can use that app to see what time they're going to be expected to get here. Yeah, that all helps.
You can now add low tide timings to the hundreds of different factors our planning and dispatch teams factor into daily collection plans from our 8,000 farmer shareholders across the motu.